what justice means. Useless black African people. You don't even know what justice.
You don't know what
your constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written.
Unless the law is written.
Show me the written law. Show me the written law. I want to know the
Talk to me now.
Show me the written law.
Are you okay?
Don't go close. Don't try that rubbish. Don't try it.
Don't
try it.
Go ahead and say
Don't try that rubbish. Don't try that rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law.
Trying
You
something
don't know law.
outside of the law.
Your own constitution you don't respect. Supreme Court judgment you don't respect. Then why are we in the court of law?
What are we doing?
Why are we in the court of law? I ask. Nonsense.
And the same law is not being respected.
You think Britain can ask you to jail me and you will jail me? You are dreaming. You are dreaming. I'm telling you that you are dreaming.
So Nnamdi Kanu lost it in court yesterday. He fled up in court. Now what are we doing here? What are we doing in the court of law? When the same law is not being respected. If you're not going to follow the law, then what are we doing here? What is the essence of all of this show? Because what is going on here is that they are trying him under an old law, an amended law. A law that has been amended. Which is what the Supreme Court tried him on under. The Supreme Court had tried him under the amended law. And they passed a judgment that he can go. Now, at the Federal High Court, they are trying him under the old law. Under the old law. Which is why they are not letting him go. And he is asking them. He finally lost it, of course. Because it is something that has been there that has been very obvious. But finally, he lost it on them and he's asking them to tell him what they are doing in court. If they are not going to follow the law. The same law of the Constitution, because the law under which they are trying him doesn't exist anymore. It is a law that has been replaced by a new law. Now, if the Supreme Court has followed that new law, why are they using an old law just to keep him in jail? Now, whether you like Nnamdi Kanu or not is irrelevant. Because tomorrow it might be you, it might be something, but it might be your own person. Today it is Nnamdi Kanu, but tomorrow, who knows who it's going to be? Who knows who it will be tomorrow? If the common man cannot get justice anymore in the court of law, where anybody can go to for justice, to get justice whenever they are wronged, it is a court. But if you can be tried under any law from any angle, then that is a very serious problem. This charade has been going on for too long. And he has been very quiet, has been very patient. But obviously his patience is running out. And now he's beginning to ask the questions that I should have been asking a long time ago. That what is going on here? What are we doing in court? The Constitution is there, the law is there. Why is it not being followed? And even mentioned Britain. That if they think that Britain will tell them to jail him and they will jail him successfully, then they must be dreaming. So it tells you that the force is behind him. Behind the charade of a trial that Nnamdi Kanu is currently going through. It might be from within the country or from outside the country, or from both within and outside the country. Because all of this is not making sense anymore. It is not making sense anymore. It has gone on for way too long. And he has been patient for way too long. But obviously, his patience has completely thinned out.